Okay, this tutorial will show you how to do some basic updates to a page on your TourVista website. So for starters, we have this pets page under our community, and I think we just need to format it, make it a little bit nicer, and maybe add a picture of a dog over here. So once you're logged in, which you can log in using the login link down here, once you're logged in, you'll see a menu at the top where you can just edit the page. And it brings up the editor here, and you can use this little box and make it bigger. So here we are. So first of all, why don't we just maybe add a little styling to this table so it actually looks slightly nicer. So we can highlight everything here, and you can see this icon here which will affect the whole row. And let's just give it a background color. So we'll go to the Advanced tab, and we'll just say, okay, now you can just choose any color you want here, or you can choose one of these existing ones, or even one of these existing ones here. So I kind of like this one here called Alice Blue. You can see it updates some kind of strange hexadecimal format here, but that's the color. We click Update, and now we can just go over here and click Update. And we can go view our page. You can see it showed there, and there it is. So that's looking nice. Why don't we add a border to our table also, just so it looks a little, I guess, more organized. So you click anywhere on the table, and you can click this icon. Okay, and you can see we have our border here, so we can just change this to 1, which means it will give it a 1, I guess, thickness border. There we go, looks good. Go back and update. And one thing I like to do is I like to just view page in a new tab, so I can go back and forth between the site and editing it and see my changes. So there we go, that's looking a lot nicer, but it's kind of close to this title here, so why don't we add just a little text up there. So one thing we could do is maybe just put a new paragraph up there, but what I like to do is maybe just do a little bit of text. So this part's a little tricky because it's hard to kind of using the arrow keys to get outside the table or to click out here. So you can use this little path down here at the bottom and say, okay, here's my table. And now I'm just going to use the arrow key on my keyboard and just tap to the left. Now I'm outside of the table. Otherwise, it might start adding stuff inside the table. I can just say, like, maybe we are a pet-friendly community. All right, that's looking good. Maybe we'll do something like this also, make that italic while we're at it. Update. When that's done spinning, it's saved. Go back over here, we can refresh our page. There we are, that's looking good. That's looking good too. Now let's say you want to put a picture of a dog or something over here on the right. That's easy also. So you can just click kind of I guess at the end of the paragraph that you want it to show. It's going to be showing over here. And we'll use this upload insert icon. And now I'm just going to pick a file from my computer. I'm uploading it. Okay, there's my dog clip art, looking good. And now, if you want, you can add a caption or alternate text. Always good to add alt text, which is just what the search engines see. And now I can say, all right, maybe if they click on it, I don't really want it to do anything, so I can get rid of the link. And we can right justify it. That's looking good. And we'll insert a variety of sizes. We'll use the full size. We'll insert it into the post. See how that looks. Hey, looking good. Save it. Go back. Refresh. Okay, looking good. Now you can see it has this border around it, which is kind of the default style. So if you don't want that border, there's a little trick to get rid of that. You can click on the image and click to edit it. And under the advanced settings, under the CSS class, you can just add solo, as in Han Solo, as in don't show the border. Update it, come back here and refresh. There we go. So this page looks a lot nicer now. We got our dog, we got our formatted table, we've got some italicized text, and everything else looks good.